Hi, so I've been building up the ground right here in front of our porch on the back of our garage, and I've just been filling it with gravel. But today what I'm going to do is down below here I'm going to dig a spot for some big boulders to come in to make it a little safer, because right now you could just like walk down over the edge and it's kind of crumbly because of the gravel. So going to put some boulders there and then fill it in, and it should make this a nice good surface for us to use. Let's try this first one and see how it does. Hopefully, cross the fingers, doesn't roll down the hill. When I was moving this into place, I didn't have the camera over far enough, but I used a shovel and just kind of wedged it underneath and pushed it to line it up because it was too far that way. We started getting a thunderstorm, so calling it good for a day. I did a little more of what I was just showing you, is putting some rocks in, adding some more dirt, putting more rocks in, adding some dirt, and now I have most of it done. I did lose 2 rocks down the hill. One rolled way out of sight, and then the other one I'll show you right here. It is just down the hill, just a little ways. And I just got to come back with some more gravel and a few more rocks, and this should be pretty good. this project for now. One boulder rolled down the hill. I need my husband to help me out with that piece, and we're gonna set it right there on the end. But other than that, now we have more of a level space here to use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and click like and subscribe, and follow me in the next video. See you next time. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.